You can put this question in round 1 or round 2. So Cricket Stat compiled the number of runs scored by 10 batsmen: Peterson, Kallis, Sehwag, Sachin, Smith, Boucher, Simons, Ponting, Yusuf and Yunus. Out of these 10 batsmen, Sehwag scored the least number of runs that we know. The following bar graph provides information about the number of runs scored in excess or deficit by Peterson, blah blah blah, in comparison to the number of scored by Sehwag, Kallis, Ponting, Yunus, Sachin and Yusuf. So, for example, this 57 gives you the difference between the runs scored by Sehwag and Peterson. Okay, 21 gives you the difference between runs scored by Sehwag and Smith, and so on and so forth. Now I know that Sehwag scored the least number of runs, so let us assume that if I put all the numbers here, all the names are here. So let us assume Sehwag scored 0 runs. So Peterson and Sehwag, the difference of the runs is 57. So Peterson must have scored 57 runs only. Similarly, Smith must have scored 21 runs. Smith is missed here. Smith must have scored 21 runs. Boucher 105. Yunus 36. And Simons 72. So these are fixed. Now see, difference between Kallis and Peterson is 39. Kallis scored some runs, Peterson scores 57. So runs scored by Kallis must be either 39 less than 57 or 39 more than 57. So we have two possibilities, either it should be 18 or 96. But when you compare Kallis with Smith, the difference is 75 and Smith has scored 21 runs. So out of these two possibilities, 18 will be ruled out. So I get the score of Kallis 96. Similarly, check for Sachin. Sachin and Peterson difference is 30 runs. So either it should be 27 or 87. But then again compare Sachin with Smith, the difference is 66, Smith is 21, so 27 will be ruled out again. Let's come to Ponting now. Difference between Ponting and Peterson is 63. So Peterson is 57, so Ponting cannot be less than 57, 63 cannot be minus from this, so it has to be 57 plus 63, which is 120. Yusuf, difference between Peterson and Yusuf is 12, so either it should be minus 12 or plus 12, so either it is 45 or 69. But again, Yusuf and Smith difference is 24, Smith is 21, so it has to be 45 only, 69 will be ruled out. So you can see that all the scores with comparison to Sehwag can be calculated using this. Now see the first question, first asking who scored the maximum number of runs. So we can clearly see from this that Ponting scored the maximum number of runs, 120. How many batsmen scored more runs than Peterson but less than Simons? More than Peterson, that is more than 57, less than Simons, that is 72. So you can see no number is between 57 and 72, hence the answer is 0, option D. Total runs scored by following groups of the 5 players put together was the least. So you have all the numbers, so you can simply add the values and you will get the correct option is D. And if the runs scored by Yusuf is 1450, how many out of the 10 batsmen scored not less than 1510? For a change, if I had assumed this as X, so runs scored by Yusuf would have been x plus 45. So x plus 45 is given to me as 1450. So x will come out to be 1405. Now I need to find that how many batsmen has not scored less than 1510. So if I compare 1510 with 1405, I'll get 105. So as compared to 0, which I used in the earlier case, my runs should not be less than 105. So if I see in the table out, not less than 105 is this and this. So Bowsher and Ponting, there are two people. So correct option is option C.